You have money blocks, and this is what's keeping you from breaking through to the next level of your business. You'll know you have a money block if you feel stressed or worried about money. You don't have the amount of money you want in the bank. You're constantly thinking, am I ever going to make it? Am I going to get there fast enough? You have sales fears. You have imposter syndrome, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt about the future of your business. Or maybe you've gotten to a certain level in your business and it plateaus and you can't seem to break through to the next level. These are all money blocks. Or what if you have a belief that, oh no, I got to 10x the amount of work that I'm doing in order to get to the level I want to get to? Or it's not possible for me to have a great relationship and build a successful business. Or it's never going to be enough. And so you're afraid to delegate or automate and drop things in your business. So you think in this FOMO way, you've got to do it all and you just feel overworked to the bone. Often it's that you're over delivering, you're undercharging, you're giving away your services and your products and your programs for free, or you're bartering. All of these are signs that you have money blocks. I've never worked with an entrepreneur who doesn't have them. Even I have them. You will always have them. It's just that once you take this quiz and you learn your top money block, you'll start to be able to understand your money blocks. So you can recognize them, you can remove them, then you can reframe your money beliefs and then rewrite your money story or your money reality. This is the NFA, no fucking around money formula. If you don't know me yet, I'm Dr. Amanda Barrientos, the founder of NFA Money, and I work with online entrepreneurs to help them heal their relationship to money so that they can work less, make more, and have fun. And what that means is that they feel better building their business, they make more money year after year, they increase their income, and they have fun, meaning that they live in their zone of genius, they work from their zone of genius, and they build businesses they love. And the first step to help you break through your income barrier or that invisible ceiling that has you feeling stuck is to take the money blocks profile. Every entrepreneur I work with takes this and it leads them down a road to start to break through that ceiling and create a successful business, because there's so many things that are related to money blocks. It affects the way you feel about yourself, it affects your relationships, it affects the way you parent, it affects your friendships, and it definitely is affecting your business, I promise you. So click on the link below or look in the description for the link. I want you to take the money blocks profile and then you can start to understand what's going on for you. It's going to give you an 8-page PDF download with information and action steps that you can take to start breaking through your money blocks immediately. The reason you want to listen to me is because I went from food stamps to building a 6-figure business in my first year of business. And it's in this report that you're going to get where you start to understand the first steps I took to break through my own money blocks. I was very victim-minded and very stuck in really all 3 of the money blocks that you're going to learn about. And I don't want you to stay stuck unnecessarily. I want you to break through. I want you to love what you do. I want you to create impact and income that's accelerating, expanding, and growing so you can love your life, love your business, and create more time and money freedom. I'll see you soon. Click on the link, take the Money Blocks profile. It'll take you less than 2 minutes. And until I see you again, NFA Money Making High Fives.